We had such a wonderful mosaic workshop in Sarasota, Florida earlier this week. I've got the most amazing ladies who came. We talked about materials to use. We talked about how they feel, how to cut them, what's the difference between the tile nippers and the glass nippers, and how to organize it on your board, and what are the types of substrates to use, and how to make sure you can hang them afterwards, what adhesives to use. And we didn't come all the way to grouting, but each of them got a Ziploc with a grout to do it at home. And now they're sending me pictures with their final projects. It was such an honor and a pleasure to work with you guys. Come again.